Hello everyone and welcome to another part on HTML course. In our last video, we discussed be and strong tag and learned how to use them correctly. And in this part, you're going to learn two more important tags. You will learn I tag and emphasize tag, and we will look into the usage as we did in the previous video. Let's first talk about the I tag. I tag was known as italic tag in the previous versions of HTML and used to display text in italics. Or in other words, it was a presentational tag. But now this tag has become semantic, and the new name of this tag is idiomatic tag. But still, the result of I tag is italic in the browser. But we don't use this tag to make our text italic for styling purpose. So when do we use it? According to HTML5 specifications, I tag is being used to mark up technical terms, idiomatic phrases from other languages, thoughts, dreams, etc. etc. You can read more about it from the link I left in the description of this video. Now here in this text, so we have a technical term. For example, a bracket. So this is where I can use I tag according to HTML5 specification. So let's mark up this technical term using I tag. Right? Now in the second paragraph, we have a thought. That joke is not even funny, she thought. So this portion is basically a thought. So a thought in the text can be marked with the help of I tag. So I can mark this portion using I tag. Now in the browser, the result of I tag is italic, as you can see here, as I mentioned earlier. But you can change this behavior using CSS. Now you know how and where to use I tag. Now let's talk about the emphasize tag. You can guess its usage from its name, right? Emphasize. So emphasize tag is used to mark up text that has stress emphasis. For example, take a look here. If I say, get out from here now, so I'm putting emphasis on the word now. So this is the right place where we can use emphasize tag. So I can mark up only this word using emphasize elements. We can write simply look another example. We have to do something about it. So where do you want to put emphasis? We can say we have to do something about it. So here I'm putting emphasis on have to. Or you can say we have to do something about it. Okay, so I'm putting emphasis on something. So the part of the text that has emphasis, you are gonna mark up with the help of emphasis element. Okay, so this is how we use it. We have to do something about it. So I'm putting emphasis on have to. So I can mark have to as something very important. Now save the file and check the result in the browser. Now here you see the emphasize tag produces also italic text in the browser, just like the I tag. But once again, this behavior, this styling behavior can be changed using CSS. I hope now you understand the usage of these two tags. Both the tags are semantic in nature and you won't use them for styling purpose. I see you guys in the next video and thanks for watching.